In this video we will explain you about the benefits of regular exercise for physical and mental health. Regular exercise is one of the most important things for your health. Not only does it help you maintain a healthy weight, but it also has numerous benefits for both physical and mental health. We will explain ways exercise can benefit your body and mind. Physical benefits of exercise. Exercise helps you maintain a healthy weight by burning calories and increasing muscle mass. This, in turn, reduces the risk of obesity and associated diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. Exercise strengthens your bones and muscles, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. It also helps you maintain good posture, balance, and flexibility. Exercise improves your cardiovascular health by increasing blood flow and oxygen to the heart and lungs. This reduces the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. Exercise helps boost your immune system by increasing the production of antibodies and white blood cells. This makes you less susceptible to infections and illnesses. Mental benefits of exercise. Exercise is a stress reliever, helping to reduce anxiety and depression. It releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters, and reduces the production of stress hormones like cortisol. Exercise helps improve the quality of your sleep, making you feel more rested and energized during the day. This is because it reduces the time it takes to fall asleep and increases the duration of deep sleep. Exercise improves cognitive function by increasing flow to the brain and promoting the growth of new brain cells. This improves memory, concentration, and overall brain function. Exercise helps improve self-esteem and confidence by promoting a sense of accomplishment and mastery. It also helps you feel in control of your life, reducing feelings of helplessness and hopelessness. Regular exercise can improve cardiovascular health by strengthening the heart and improving circulation. This can reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular conditions. Exercise can improve muscle strength and endurance, making it easier to perform activities and reducing the risk of injury. Exercise can help with weight management, burning calories, and increasing metabolism. This can reduce the risk of obesity and associated health conditions like type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure. Regular exercise can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. Exercise has been shown to improve mood, reduce anxiety and depression, and improve overall mental health. Exercise can help reduce stress levels by releasing endorphins, which are natural mood-boosting hormones. Better sleep. Regular exercise improves sleep quality and duration, leading to better overall health and well-being. Exercise can increase energy levels by improving circulation and oxygen flow throughout the body. Regular exercise has been shown to improve cognitive function, including memory, attention, and processing speed. Regular exercise can boost immune function, reduce risk of infections and illnesses. Regular exercise is essential for maintaining physical and mental health. It has numerous benefits for the body and mind, from management and cardiovascular health to reduced stress and improved cognitive function. Make sure to incorporate exercise into your daily routine, whether it's through walking, yoga, or other physical activities. Your body and mind will thank you for it.